Looking at overgrown hedges can be overwhelming, but having the right cordless hedge trimmer transforms an exhausting chore into quick, satisfying yard work. I've researched the top cordless hedge trimmers available, focusing on what actually matters. All product links are in the description below. Let's dive in. Starting with the Works WG261, this 22-inch trimmer runs on a 20-volt PowerShare battery, and the complete kit includes a 2.0 amp-hour battery and charger, making it budget-friendly and ready to work immediately. The tool weighs just 5.5 pounds with battery attached. That 20-volt motor delivers 2,600 strokes per minute and handles branches up to 3/4 inch thick, perfect for typical garden hedge maintenance on boxwoods, laurels, and ornamental shrubs. The 2.0 amp-hour battery provides roughly 40 to 50 minutes of runtime, and the real advantage is the PowerShare battery system. So if you already own Works 20-volt tools, you can swap batteries between them. The D-grip handle design lets you trim vertical hedge faces and then rotate your grip for horizontal cuts without constantly repositioning your body. This trimmer shines for homeowners with small to medium yards needing cordless convenience for regular maintenance. If you're tackling seriously thick woody branches over 3/4 inch or managing extensive hedgerows that need all-day runtime, the higher voltage options offer more muscle. For professional-grade performance, the Ego Power Plus HT2600 delivers dramatically more power with its 56-volt brushless system. The 26-inch blade handles branches up to 1.2 inches thick at 3,400 strokes per minute, nearly double the Works' cutting capacity. Batteries and charger are sold separately, so factor in battery costs. With a 56-volt 2.5 amp-hour battery installed, you get approximately 60 minutes of runtime and the tool weighs around 10 pounds total, balanced intelligently thanks to the carbon fiber blade rail. What truly sets this trimmer apart is the 180-degree rotating handle with 5 locking positions. The rotating head locks at vertical, horizontal, or angled positions, so you position the blade exactly where needed while keeping your body comfortable. This transforms work on tall hedges or artistic topiary requiring precise cuts from multiple angles. The brushless motor delivers consistent power that doesn't fade as battery depletes, and Ego backs the carbon fiber rail with a lifetime warranty. This trimmer is perfect for landscaping professionals, estate maintenance, or homeowners with large properties and thick evergreen hedges. If you're looking for an entry-level cordless option, the Black & Decker LHT218C1 delivers solid performance with its 20-volt max system. This 18-inch trimmer comes complete with battery and charger. The dual-action blades reduce vibration significantly during longer trimming sessions. Weighing around 5 to 6 pounds with battery, it's easy to handle for extended periods. The 20-volt motor handles branches up to 3/4 inch thick, perfectly suited for routine hedge maintenance. This makes it ideal for first-time cordless trimmer buyers, homeowners with smaller yards and standard shrubs, or anyone needing a basic trimmer for occasional touch-ups. If you need extended runtime or plan to tackle thick overgrown hedges regularly, the mid-range or premium options provide better sustained power. The DocSmart HT02B offers something unusual at budget pricing: a 180-degree pivoting head with 4 locking positions, typically reserved for premium models. The kit includes two 21-volt lithium-ion batteries at roughly 2.0 amp-hours each plus charger, valuable because you can run one while charging the other. The 1,000-watt motor spins at 3,000 revolutions per minute and handles branches up to 2/3 inch thick. The tool weighs 11 to 13 pounds with both batteries installed, which is noticeably heavier than the lightweight options, so take breaks if you're working overhead for extended periods. That rotating head capability opens up trimming possibilities for awkward hedge situations, like detailing undersides that overhang walkways or reaching tops of shrubs against your house without ladders. This makes perfect sense for cost-conscious gardeners who specifically need rotating head capability for complex hedge shapes, or anyone managing medium hedges who values having 2 batteries ready for extended work sessions. For maximum power, the Greenworks HT80L213 brings 80-volt performance, the highest voltage here. The 26-inch brushless blade operates at 4,000 strokes per minute, the fastest cutting speed available while handling branches up to 1.1 inches thick. The kit includes an 80-volt 2.0 amp-hour battery and rapid charger. That 80-volt platform delivers remarkable runtime up to 80 minutes on the included battery. The tool weighs approximately 13 pounds with battery. Where the 20-volt models might get 40 to 50 minutes before recharging, this Greenworks powers through marathon sessions with gas trimmer endurance, but no fumes or maintenance. The brushless motor maintains consistent power throughout battery discharge. Greenworks backs everything with a 4-year warranty. This is perfect for professional landscapers managing multiple properties daily, commercial maintenance crews, or homeowners with acreage and extensive hedgerows. The Skill HT2400C-11 delivers exceptional value for everyday use. This 24-inch brushless model runs on 40 volts and weighs approximately 7 pounds with the included 2.0 amp-hour battery. The complete kit includes battery and charger at mid-range pricing. That 40-volt system sits perfectly between budget 20-volt options and premium 56 to 80-volt powerhouses, delivering 3,000 strokes per minute and handling branches up to 3/4 inch thick. Runtime on the 2.0 amp-hour battery runs approximately 50 to 60 minutes. That 7-pound weight is genuinely easy to manage for extended trimming. The 24-inch blade length covers significantly more hedge per pass than the 18 or 20-inch models. Unlike the Greenworks we just discussed, which prioritizes maximum power at 13 pounds, the Skill focuses on that sweet spot between performance and comfortable handling. Skill includes IPX4 splash resistance and backs this with a 5-year warranty, exceptionally generous. This is perfect for homeowners wanting meaningful blade length and professional features at reasonable pricing, anyone already invested in Skill's 40-volt battery ecosystem, or gardeners valuing long warranty coverage. The Craftsman CMCHT810C1V20 represents the accessible entry point for cordless trimming. This 20-inch trimmer runs on 20-volt max system, weighing approximately 6.5 pounds with battery while delivering 2,600 strokes per minute and handling branches up to 3/4 inch thick. The kit includes a 1.5 amp-hour battery and charger at budget pricing. That 1.5 amp-hour capacity provides roughly 30 to 40 minutes runtime, which handles small to medium yards perfectly. Craftsman includes a 3-year warranty. The Craftsman's advantage is V20 battery compatibility across Craftsman's extensive tool lineup spanning drills, saws, and outdoor equipment. This is ideal for first-time cordless buyers, budget-conscious homeowners with smaller properties, anyone wanting lightweight backup trimmer for detail work, or people already owning Craftsman V20 tools expanding their battery ecosystem. So, which trimmer is right for you? For small yards and occasional maintenance, both the Black & Decker and Craftsman deliver budget-friendly performance. For balanced everyday performance, the Works and Skill are excellent choices. The Works wins on lightweight comfort at 5.5 pounds with great D-grip ergonomics and 22-inch reach. The Skill delivers superior value with 24-inch reach, brushless efficiency, and exceptional 5-year warranty. When tackling large properties with thick hedges, both the Ego and Greenworks deliver professional results. The Ego is the precision choice with carbon fiber construction and rotating handle. The Greenworks emphasizes raw power and extended 80-minute runtime for marathon sessions. For budget shoppers needing rotating head capability, the DockSmart offers that feature at accessible pricing. Remember, the right trimmer depends on your specific hedge situation, not just the price tag. Check all product links in the description below, and if this helped you choose your perfect hedge trimmer, hit that subscribe button. Happy trimming!